Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while, but I've been at work and been on call. But today is wash day. So today I'm going to show you guys some of the products I use on my natural hair while it's in a sew-in. Stay tuned. Some of the things that I use on my natural hair while it's in a protected style like a sew-in is I shampoo it with Nixon cleanser for fine hair. As you guys know, that I have an autoimmune situation that took my hair out and it's not as thick as it used to be. So heavy shampoos can really weigh fine hair down. So I went to TJ Maxx actually, and you probably seen this at Ulta, you've seen it at Marshall's, and you've seen it at TJ Maxx. But I've been using this for a couple of years now. And it's actually pretty good. And I get the one for fine hair. It has like different steps. So this is step 1. And there's like 2, 3, and 4. But I use step 1 and it's for normal to thin looking hair. And this is the shampoo. And Nixon Cleanser Shampoo helps remove follicle clogging sebum, which is sweat, fatty acids, or environmental residue from the scalp, skin, and hair. And this has a lot of good things in it. It has a peppermint oil. And if y'all know anything about peppermint oil, it helps stimulate your scalp, your blood vessels in your scalp for growth. So this is really, really good. And another shampoo I use if I'm not using Nixon, I use the Aphogee. And this one is the Keratin green tea shampoo. I also used the one for damaged hair years ago when I first went natural. That helped really like a whole lot, especially when it came to getting your hair to grow and thicken up and removing the damage. And there's another one that they have, which is for moisture. So if you don't know if your hair needs either moisture or protein or moisture, get the one Aphogee that says for moisture, because Aphogee is a protein-based shampoo. But if you use the moisture Aphogee shampoo, try to not use it every time you wash your hair. Use it like once at the beginning of the month and then co-wash the rest of the month, because a dermatologist told me that I used to go to that co-washing is actually better for your hair than actually washing your hair with shampoo, because washing your hair with shampoo actually strips the oils, your natural oils from your scalp. So co-washing is better. And how I do my shampoo when my hair is in a sew-in like it is now, you can get this little item right here. It's called a root comb applicator. That's actually the name of it, root comb applicator. And I got this at Sally's. I actually don't know the price of it. I forgot. But I fill like that much of shampoo up in here and then put the rest with warm water, lukewarm water, and I shake it up, and in between each track I go ahead and squeeze a little bit of shampoo mixed with water in between and just like massage it in there and rinse it out. And I do the same with conditioner. I put a little bit of conditioner in there and fill the rest up with water, and in between each layer of the track I go ahead and squeeze some of that watered down conditioner in there, and try to do like a deep conditioning for my hair while it's in the sew-in. And then conditioners I use is the Nixon scalp treatment. I had this for a while. These bottles actually last for a long time if you go ahead and get the bigger bottle. But I get the Nixon scalp therapy. It's lightweight conditioner and it helps improve hair resilience and controls moisture balance for normal to thin looking hair. I like this a lot. I recommend it a lot, but I also put extra drops of peppermint oil into my shampoos and conditioners. So that's what I do. I don't know if anybody else does that, but that's what I do. And this is really, really good for co-washing because it actually, you can feel the tingling of your scalp with the peppermint oil in it. But the protein treatment I'm going to use, conditioner I'm going to use today. I just got the little packs. It's just the Aphogee Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. I just got 2 of these, and I'm just going to put these in this bottle right here and water it down. But this is actually really good too. Just another protein conditioning treatment that helps strengthen your hair while it's in a sew-in. And it has keratin amino acids and different oils and vitamins and stuff in there. So this is actually really good for your hair. I recommend anybody who is going through the phase of transitioning from relaxed to natural to try Aphogee, especially if you have some damage to your hair and you want your hair to come back to life, you might as well say. Aphogee is really good, and if you're like me or you have hair loss or anything like that, Nioxin is actually really good too. So this is really good. I'm just going to do the same thing like I'm going to do with the shampoo. Squeeze the pack of conditioner in here, put some water in it. After I put the water in it, go between each layer of my sew-in, massage it in, and put a heating cap on it and just do a hot deep conditioning type treatment, if you get what I'm saying. The treatment that I'm going to do on my hair today, I'm going to use peppermint oil. Yeah, peppermint oil. Sorry about that. That I got from TJ Maxx. I got it for $6.99. I had this one for a while, but you can get this at like any of your Whole Foods stores or GMC or online at Amazon or anything like that. You can also get some peppermint oil. If you go TJ Maxx or Marshalls or whatever, you might find some there. So I'm going to mix this, the peppermint oil, along with the vitamin E oil. I got this at Sally's. Into this bottle. It was Wild Hair Growth Light Oil Moisturizer, but I've just been refilling this bottle up with different oils that I have in my house. And once again, I'm going to go between each track, put some on my scalp, massage it in, put a heating cap on, and do a hot oil treatment. So that's how I take care of my hair when it's in a sew-in in a protective style, because I have to do it. And when you guys are wearing protective styles, braids, sew-ins, wigs, or whatever, you have to take care of your natural hair underneath your sew-in, because you don't want it to mat. You don't want it to smell. You don't want it to be all matted up so bad that you end up having to cut your hair off. And also when you're washing and conditioning your hair and stuff, please make sure you dry your hair. Sit under a hooded dryer. If it was warm outside, I would say go outside, but it's cold here in Tennessee. So, or, you know, to get a blow dryer and just blow dry in between each layer until it gets dry. So please, guys, underneath your sew-ins, wigs, or braids or whatever, please, 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 please take care of your hair as well as your scalp. So thank you guys for watching my video today. Please thumbs up this video, share it with your friends who have wear protective styles or wear sew-ins or braids or whatever, to see different options of shampoos and conditioners that are out there that will help you guys as well. And also comment down below. Please go follow me on my Instagram pages. It's Amelia03, as well as It's a Millionaire Hair. A Millionaire Hair. Sorry about that. And also, say hi. You can go to the comments and say hi. You know, I'm not gonna bite. Also, once I get to my first milestone of 200 subscribers, which I'm almost there, and I'm so happy about my first milestone, I'm going to be having a giveaway. So please stay tuned. I'll be either announcing it here on my YouTube channel or on one of my Instagram pages. So please don't miss out on that. Thanks for watching. Bye.